Hello guys, Nepal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today is a very exciting day because we're unboxing the two brand new 2022 Pride Edition Apple Watch bands. Okay, so yeah, first of all, I am very sunburned, so yeah, sorry for that. I'm more sorry, believe me. But yeah, so we have the Nike edition and the regular edition. Both of these are in the sports loop, I think it's called, type. So yeah, it's very comfortable. Actually, I have another one of this type, and they're very comfortable. But after some years, they start to like gather the shape that they've most been on, and it's not as flexible as this used to be. But yeah, so we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna review them. We're gonna start with this one. This one. We'll start with this one. But okay, so as usual, we have the pull tab here, and we just pull it because it's a pull tab. Pull it off. Open this here. Oh, it didn't really unstick it. Here we go. And ooh, Apple Watch with all the rainbow colors. You can see here. And of course the Nike symbol, because this is the Nike edition Sportsman. And ooh, look at it. I don't know what this is for. Oh yeah, of course, this. Ooh, I actually like this one a lot. Let's see. So we do this, we do that, we do this, we do that. Okay, this looks nice. It's a bit flexible. And here it says Pride 2022. I don't know if you can see, hopefully you can see. But it says Pride 2022 Apple Watch Nike. So very good. Of course, I'm gonna put this on the Apple Watch. Take off the current one. And try this one on. Yeah, it's sad that I don't have my friend Angel with me today, because he's in Spain, I'm not, sadly. But yeah, we usually, if you've watched any of my previous unboxings of the Pride bands, he's usually been with me. And ooh, I like how this one looks. Yeah, I really like how it looks, honestly. Yeah, how can you see? Very nice. Yeah, definitely like how it looks. Very nice. So yeah, of course it has all the colors, but it has like a black background. I think I still like last year's band better. That one was very good. I never got it, but I'm still on time because Apple still sells it. And actually, something else that you may know is that, of course, there are some exclusive watch faces. Let me unlock the watch first. I got the code wrong. There are some exclusive watch faces from Pride, as every single year. And what Apple has done here is put them in an app clip. So you don't have to browse through the Apple Watch app to find it and then add it and stuff. You just open the camera and then scan it. And then what? Nike Bounce. Ooh, and then here you can see to the watch face. So we click view and it's taking us straight to the Apple Watch app, and we're gonna add the watch face. So actually, let me add this one and this one. Oh, I can only add one at a time. So okay, so we'll do this one. And yeah, we have Nike Bounce. I'll select this one. And whoa, this looks sick. This, how can I show you? This looks pretty cool. Actually, let me show you. This looks great. I love it. Man, it looks so cool. Nah, okay, I'm liking this one. Yeah, I'm really liking it. But we have another watch face to open, so let's get rid of all this. I mean, watch band, not watch face. To be fair, we do have another watch face to open, but that's not what I meant to say. Let's get rid of this as well, and take the other one, which is here. So again, very simple mechanism. We just open here, pull tab, and open here. Come on. Can do it. Okay, so of course I got them for the 45, 44 or 42 millimeter Apple Watch. Here it says Predation Sports Loop, and on the other one I'm guessing it says something about Nike. Yeah, Predation Nike Sport Loop. Yeah, here's the size, as I told you. Yeah, I didn't really show the box, sorry. But yeah, nothing to see really, just a lot of lettering. But yeah, on to what actually matters. This one doesn't have the Nike logo, of course, but it still has the Apple Watch rainbow logo, which is nice. And ready for our first viewing. Ooh, I like this one as well. Ooh, this is actually like embossed. It's not like, okay, let me get it out. So yeah, it actually has some depth to it. It's not like just printed there. This one only says Pride 2022. Hopefully you can see. I don't know if you can, but hopefully you do. And it's cool. I like how it has the Pride on that side. But okay, let's try this one with the Apple Watch. Oops. This one and this one out, and this one in. No, the other way around. This one in, and this one in. Ooh, but it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Really like how it looks. Let's see how it looks on. Oh, I'm liking it a lot. I like how the white looks with all the colors. Ah, look at this. This is so cool. Okay. Let's add the other watch face. Scan here. Right threads. Yeah, that's the one. Open. Oh, this is gonna look so good when I have the watch face on. Add to my watch faces. Ooh, nice. Yeah, so nice. This one's pretty white, so you can't really see. But these both look very good. I really like how they look. I don't know what to do now, because I was planning on returning one of them, but I actually like them a lot, both. One or both, but yeah, I mean this looks cool, but to be fair, you cannot really see the time. It's not easy to see the time. Like, yeah, it's also, I'm recording this pretty late because, so the numbers move when you move your wrist to the side or to up and down. That is pretty cool. Okay, now I'm liking it more, but yeah, it's kind of tricky to see the number at first. I think I prefer this one. Yeah, that was great. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it, isn't it? So these are our two brand new watch bands with the two exclusive watch faces. Well, not exclusive, anyone can wear the watch faces. I love the touch. Like my band that's like this, it's like almost 4 years old now, and yeah, it doesn't really feel like this. It's so good. Well, I'll have to make a tough decision whether I want to keep one, both, or none. But yeah, no, I really like it. I like how it looks. Yeah, the Pride here looks very good. I love like the colors here popping up with the white in the background. I think I like this one more than the black one, but I prefer this one. Like the Pride is cool, but I kind of prefer it wasn't there. And it would actually be cooler if these like the rainbow flag was all the way out, because here it's like more dim because you have the Pride, so you can really, well, you can still kind of see it, but not as much as here. And yeah, because you have the Pride here. But yeah, very good. Yeah, they're both very nice, very nice. But yeah, what do you think about these watch faces? Which are your watch bands? Which are your favorite Pride watch bands that Apple has released throughout history, all the way since 2017? That's 5 years now. Wow. But yeah, let me know down below in the comments. Also, let me know any questions that you might have about these bands, and I will do my best to answer. And if you wanna get them, just pop into Apple's website. I'll put a link below. Yeah, you can get them, and they're 49 euros, pounds, dollars each. And yeah, I think that's gonna be everything from me today. Again, Feel free to comment below if you have any questions that I can answer about this, and I will really do my best. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.